We know it's going to be hot.
Yes,
There's
definitely.
also a chance of showers.
Yeah, so very similar to the last 2 days. Most of that rain will really hold off until the evening hours. And then Sunday, we do have a pattern change on the way, so that may catch a couple people off guard. Still getting the rain, but different timings at different places. So if you live here long enough, you start to get the pattern down. It all depends on the wind most of the time. And that's going to be the case as we move into this weekend. You got to watch the wind, right? So as we check on satellite radar right now, we've been in this pattern the last few days where we've had an easterly wind. And then we have that daily sea breeze that sets up, and that allows those storms to really bubble up right across the interior, closer to I-75. We have also seen some rain occasionally across our interior locations like Polk County, Hardee County, Highlands, DeSoto. We do have some storms down in Highlands County right now. It's the far southern end of it, close to US 27. So if you are somebody that lives south of Lake Placid, you're likely going to hear that thunder soon if you're not already. And that storm will try to travel out to the west here. It is bringing a little bit of lightning with it, but most folks are inside and probably going to bed soon. So we get a nice lightning storm to fall asleep to. All right, satellite radar on the bigger picture here. This is our setup. We have high pressure that's out here. You can't see that big H, but that's what's driving those winds. Eventually, we will have more of a dominant westerly wind, which is a little bit different from this easterly wind that's been driving in all of our moisture. So with that easterly wind, we typically have those showers and storms that set up across our central counties, and then eventually they do drift over here. But moving into Sunday and all of next week, we have that westerly wind that will take over. So it's a flip-flop to our pattern where we will have those showers and storms start up a little bit earlier, closer to the coast, and then they will travel out to the east. Let's look at it on Futurecast. So going into tomorrow morning, this is 8:30, looking good. A couple clouds out there. Notice the temperature in the right-hand corner of your screen, 82, southeast winds, 5 miles per hour. Going into lunchtime now. Yeah, we could see a few stray showers around lunchtime for tomorrow, mainly for Pinellas County, some of those coastal areas. Hernando, Pasco County could see a stray shower, but not everybody's going to see that. So that's lunchtime tomorrow. Here we are, 3 o'clock, starts to get a little bit busier now, and this is when our sea breeze collisions coming together. So we still have that easterly wind, but also we have a little bit of a southerly wind, and then we have our westerly sea breeze that's coming in. So this is going to allow for that lift and those showers and storms to develop, some bringing thunder and lightning, just like we saw for today. The risk for severe weather overall low, but you can get a stronger thunderstorm out of these at times. This is 6:30 tomorrow night, and that's when things really start to light up. Looks like it will be mainly across our interior locations. Again, Polk County, Hardee, Highlands, DeSoto, which is good because these are areas that have recently been lacking the rainfall. Again, kind of opposite than when we started our rainy season. These areas were getting the rain while the coastal areas were not. So if everybody could get the rain at once, that would be great. Bertha did help us out, by the way, in some select locations. Other locations didn't see much at all from Bertha. But getting back into Saturday night, we will have those showers and storms kind of drift back toward the coast. And then Sunday, as I mentioned, will be a change in the pattern where it's basically opposite of what we've had, just where the showers and storms develop. They will push eastward instead of moving westward toward the coast. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s, low 80s across the region. We have 77 in Bartow, Wauchula at 76. Closer to the coast here with that nice warm Gulf temperature of 88 degrees. We have a lot of 80s that are holding on for those beaches. For tonight, 79 in Tampa, and then going into tomorrow will be very warm, similar to today, 94 for the daytime high. Let's get you to your 7-day forecast so you know what to expect. By the way, with all of the rain that we're expecting Monday through Friday of next week, that will bring our temperatures down just a degree or two in the afternoon and evening. So that will help us out, especially with that extra cloud cover.